go. Welcome to Good Morning Sunday. Thank you for joining us again this morning. Jack, do you want to go with the first question? Let's get stuck into it.
Okay. Kirsten B. Yes, normal one. Thanks, Kirsten.
Kirsten B. Yep.
Yep. With real estate being such a fast-paced industry, how quickly are you expected to reply to your clients?
That's a great question. I think there's two levels of expectation here. The client's expectation and my expectation. So for me, I love being responded to quickly.
Yep.
So I almost look at that and go, well, if that's what I like, I'm going to assume that my clients want the same too.
Yep.
So I always try to make sure that emails, SMSs, phone calls are responded to as quickly as possible.
I think that with technology these days, it's becoming more and more expected to reply almost instantaneously.
Yeah.
With text message, if you can't answer a phone, if you're in a meeting, you can still text or email, whatever it might be. As soon as you're available, you make that call back, or you send them a text to even just say, look, I'm in a meeting, can I call you back?
Yeah.
At least then they know, because if somebody's on the other end of that phone or email sitting there waiting, stressing out, the tension can rise and then it creates issues. So I think people are very expecting of immediate response these days. It's not always possible, but I think as long as you're getting back to someone as quickly as you possibly can, and they know that, then that's something that I think is very much expected.
And most people are pretty considerate too.
Yeah.
Last question, Jack, what do you like about Kathleen? And Kathleen, what do you like about Jack?
Kathleen is one of those people that is always looking after your best interests. So I think that's something that I've noticed in a business sense that's really, really good, is that you've formed these relationships with your clients where they do trust you so much, and there's obviously a good reason for that. So I think that's something that I respect as well.
And I think a lot of them also become involved in my life as well, just from being lovely people. I think the thing that I admire most about you, Jack, is you set yourself a certain expectation and you don't do anything less than that. And that is what I have noticed from day dot with you. And again, from a professional sense, that you expect a lot from yourself, you expect a lot from your team.
Yep.
And like you said in one of our other filming shoots, your problem solving skills are exceptional. So that is something that you have really honed on and worked on over the years. So yeah, that's probably what I'd say.
Thank you. We'll tell each other completely different things after, but that's fine.
Where's that steak knife? Anyway, thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for the questions, and have a nice Sunday.
Thank you. Cheers.